Lying on your back with your knees bent, gently lift your knees to your chest. Lay your hands lightly on the top of the knees, without gripping. Take a breath and raise the tailbone, lifting your head slightly off the floor. Keep the tailbone lifting. Imagine you're reaching your knees toward the sky, keeping your energy lifting upward. Exhale as you release. Take a couple of breaths and repeat the pose. Lift the tailbone, raise the head. Concentrate on keeping the breath long and soft with the hips lifted off the ground. Release back to the earth for a couple of breaths and repeat the pose. Hold the pose for 3 to 5 breaths and slowly release back to the floor. This strengthens the psoas muscle, which lies beneath the abdomen muscles. It's difficult to find in the beginning, but in time, as the muscles strengthen, you'll be able to lift the hips a little higher. Practice by drawing your abdomen in and up before you start the pose. This may help with the lift. When you're finished, feel the warmth in your abdomen